this program will illustrate those different permissions. So here I've got a local variable x, which I can set to 5. I can take x's addresses and set it to 5. This is a long way of writing x equals 5. But I can't take the address of the function main and set that to 5. If I do that and try to run it, then I get a seg fault from the operating system because it knows that it was OK to write to this address and then print OK after it, but we never got to the OK because it was not OK to write to the code area. Right? So the page where the code for main is not writable because in the elf file it said that segment should not have write permissions on it. Here's another example that's more elaborate. We're going to try, we have this C3 opcode, which corresponds to return, putting it in various places and seeing if I can jump to that code and have it returned to me. Let's try this code out and look at the possibilities. So the first case, we have S1 as a static string. Now you don't normally mean for a string to be executed, but in fact this is going to work out. We can compile this program and see. So we got trying some address and probably OK. So what this means is we had the address of the string. We were able to call it as a function because we got probably OK. The reason for that is that in our elf segments, the code pages and the static data pages, like this, like the string here, they're just put together. And so there's actually no distinction among the non-writable but potentially executable or not stuff. On the other hand, S2, which we allocate with malloc, and we filled it with that return opcode, when we tried to jump there, we got trying that address and then a seg fault. So this was not OK, and we shouldn't try to do that. Our last question is, what about local variables, things on the stack? So now I have on the stack some code that just does a return. Can I jump to bits of the stack and execute them? We hope not, and in fact, it is not allowed. So the stack is not executable either. All of this is possible, again, because the virtual memory system was configured as the program was loaded to say just the code parts, or at least just the non-writable parts of the executable, can be executed.